Alright, this is just a quick Revit rendering to the cloud. And so I did it still before, and I'm just going to go to my view. I've already set up my view and everything, and we're just going to render to the cloud. So you have to be logged into your Autodesk account to do this, but you just come to the render, you have your view set up, you go to render in cloud, you go to continue, and it brings up the view that you want to render. You can pick multiple views if you want. I'm just going to render this one. And the render quality, I can only set mine to standard. If I go to final, it wants credits. You might get a certain number of credits, but I'm not sure what an educational account does. Mine has gotten kind of mixed up. So I'm just going to leave it where it is right now, and I'm going to click render. I can tell it to email me when I'm done, but if I click render, it uploads all the things that it needs to render, and you can see that it's rendering it online. And when it's done, you can go to the render gallery, take a look, and it will open up your renderings. And so here, if I go to view project, right, it's still rendering, it's almost done. It's not a huge file, so it'll probably be done in just a minute. But if I go back to my renderings, you can see some of the other renderings that I did. Let's see if I got some stills in here. Yeah, so here's a few other renderings that I've done that it's done up to the cloud. So let's go back and see if it's done yet. I'll just pause. Okay, so the render is done, so let's take a look at it. If I go to view project, there's the render. So you can actually download this. You can also do some post-processing on it. So if you wanted to, you know, mess with the saturation, right, there's the exposure, so you can lighten it or darken it. So you can come in and adjust different things on the post-processing. And then once you're happy with it, you can download it as any of these. So I'll download this as a JPEG, right? And then you can use it however you like. You can adjust it or update it or do whatever you like in Photoshop. So that's getting a still image from the cloud in Revit.